Papasok na yung mga optiking. Bakit itong mga sa kabila hindi optiking?
Yung asawa ko, sabi ko, wala na kayo natin.
Hello. Ganito palang sit up. Mahirap dito na sa likod, mahirap lalabas. Hindi, kahit dito na lang sa sa gilid. Ah.
Para may daanan daw sa gitna.
Lag na.
Good morning po. So, ang higilan po namin sa inyo, paki-ready po yung mga documents na sinabi niyo sa embassy. So, yung birth certificate, yung old Philippine passport, your Canadian citizenship certificate, and your Canadian passport. For those who are married po. Para sa mga dito, ano na po tayo na?
Ito raw yung prepare. Canadian passport, Philippine passport, marriage, birth certificate, saka ito. Tatawag na sila.
Ramona Inigo.
Papalitan na pala pag to. Kukunin na ito o invalid na. Kasi hindi na raw makikita yung mga nakatatak dito. Kasi pag magano na sila, panibagong passport. Busy pa sila pagong, ibig sabihin mabagal. Canadian citizenship Aguila, mabilis.
Okay, we'll do the left and right thumb mark na po. Pwede ba ito, Mr. Ilagay natin din eh. Okay, pa hindi madumihan. Left and right.
Thank you.
Okay. Make sure natin na may thumb marks po ha. First 3 pages po ay sa inyo. Please make sure po, Mr. Estabayan, na Ito po is yours. It's for your safekeeping po ha. Huwag iwala ang inyong dual documents o wala ng iba ito. The Xerox copies goes to the Bureau of Immigration. Ha? So while waiting for the rest po, please have a seat and check niyo po. No, huwag itago at ito ang babasahin niyo.
Okay.
Okay.
Pasan.
Ito na yung ano, certification ng foreign affair. Blessed pa rin tayo.
Ah.
You acquired foreign citizenship, you did naturalization in a foreign country, in this case Canada, so you're now Canadians, you may reacquire your citizenship as provided by our law, RA 1985. So once you do that, you may now fully enjoy your civil and political rights as Filipinos. So ano ba yung mga civil and political rights? Actually marami po yun, pero just allow me to highlight 7. Very briefly lang po, kasi alam mo yun din yung tanong ninyo. So like ang una, dun the right
To vote.
louder daw. So the right to possess a Philippine passport. So just for you to know, it's actually not mandatory for you to own a Philippine passport, but it's also encouraged. It's because aside from being a travel document, it's one of the major IDs that accepted in the Philippines banks. So yeah, unfortunately, puno po yung appointments natin for passports today and tomorrow, but we will be coming back in April. So please watch us. We'll post the announcement this Monday. Hindi lang namin sinabayan kasi baka magkagulo. So please watch out, follow our Facebook page, our website. So, kasi paunahan po yun. Actually, marami po talagang mataas po yung demand dito sa Mount Raya. So lagi nagkakaubusan. So please follow na lang po para once the link is out, you can already set an appointment. So yun po, so Philippine passport. So habang wala pa kayong passport, you can actually enter the Philippines using your Canadian passport. So as former Filipinos, Filipinos na kayo, you are actually entitled to like a year visa-free. No? But since you're Filipinos, you can also present your citizenship documents. Diba tatlo po yan? Huwag niyo po nga walain po yan, set po yan of 3. So yung oath, meron tayong oath, merong ano pa yun, yung identification certificate at saka yung order. So pag may naghanap po sa inyo ng proof of Philippine citizenship, isa po yan, pwede isakita. Pero of course, kung ayaw nyo laging bitbit yan, you can always apply for a Philippine passport kasi yun talaga sure na yun na Philippine. So yung second po natin na right, also related to travel, is the right to, enter the Philippines and stay there indefinitely, which you already touched upon. So kung gusto nyo magstay doon for a long time, so wala na po yun. So third naman is to own property in the Philippines. Ano po yun? Yung fourth is the right to practice your profession. So as you know, may mga regulated professions in the Philippines na baka dati registered ano kayo, ganito. So but as Canadians are not restricted to practice in the Philippines, so now you're able to do that again. Pass with bar, so practice that. And then also the right to own and operate a business in the Philippines. So before may restrictions yun for Canadian citizens, may mga nakikita akong nagganon. So yung 6th at saka 7th right naman, they're related to our political rights. So una, the right to vote. Unfortunately, di ba may elections tayo this April, May? So the registration actually happened September 2022 to December 2022 to September 2024. So in short, tapos na po yung registration. So alam ko po, may nakita po kayong announcement sa Facebook po, sa website na parang may magkakaroon ng pre-voting enrollment. Yung pre-voting enrollment, para lang po yun sa mga registered voters. So, So if you want to vote po, I think next year, we will open the registration again for the next election. So usually 2 years po yan, so please don't wait for the last minute. Usually kasi nagtatanong sila, tapos na yung registration. So, yeah. So the next election, hopefully you're able to vote. And then the 7th right, is the last pa na right now we're talking about. So yung first 6 rights kanina, you can practice them, you know, as Canadian citizens. But the 7th thing, no, you have to give up your Canadian citizenship if you want to run for political office. So kung may plano kayong mag-servisyo sa Pilipinas as a public servant, you have to give up your Canadian citizenship. Ayun po yung, alam ko marami pa po kayong tanong, matagal na din kayo naghintay. So if you have other questions, you can always update us. No? And then so we talked about the rights. So yung sa obligations part naman po. So meron po kayong copy na post. So nakalagay po dyan, no? I swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. So isa po yan sa mga what's expected of us as Filipino citizens. And obey the laws and legal orders. And I just wanted to emphasize that because I know you're Canadian citizens, so may mga activities in Canada that may not be, that are not legal in the Philippines. So it is our responsibility to know what these. Repeat after me. I state your name. Solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
The Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
and obey the laws and legal orders
Obey the laws and legal orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines.
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines.
And I hereby declare
And I hereby declare
that I recognize and accept
that I recognize and accept
the supreme authority of the Philippines
The Supreme Authority of the Philippines.
and will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto.
and
And I will
will
maintain true faith and allegiance thereto.
And that I impose this obligation
and that I impose these obligations
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
For the purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Noon pa man, malaki na ang naging bahagi ng mga kababaihan sa lipunang Pilipino. Kaisa sila sa marugdog na paghahangad ng kalayaan ng ating lahi. Kabilang sila sa paglinang ng ating makulay na sining at mayamang kultura. Kasapi sila sa pagtataguyod ng mga adhikain ng kapwa mamamayan at sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng lipunan. Katuwang sila sa pagtuklas sa mga larangan ng agham at medisina. Kapanalig sila sa pagpapairal ng batas, karapatan at katarungan para sa lahat. Kabahagi sila sa paglilingkod sa bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng demokrasyang Pilipino. Sa paglipas ng panahon, hindi nagmaliw ang kanilang pag-ibig sa ating inang bayan. Mga kababayan, ito ang alay ng mga kababaihang Pilipino para sa bayan. Tumayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kaya sa silaranan, alab na puso, sa dilim mo'y buhay. Lupang hinihang, tuyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit bubukang, may lalang tula at awit sa kamlayang minamahal. Ang gusto ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilinig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may pinagdinilig. Lupa ng araw na buwan, halik ang sinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Congratulations!
Tapos na.
You want to take photos go with the flag?
Photos na.
Bilis. Ganun lang pala yun.
Maghintay yung damdam.
First honor. Tapos na.
Passport kayo. Passport kayo? Kasi muna. Picture tayo mama. Ay, sabay tayo mo. Paano? Picture tayo yan. Wala sa sila nagsasakit. Sabay-sabay na tayo. Picture ka muna ng suna. Ay.
Okay.
Ano na, di ka magpapicture muna tayo lahat na picture. Bilisan ka, balik ka na. Balik ka dito. Bilisan mo, anak mo. Magpapicture mo daw. Ikaw na mag-video. Kasi may susunod pa, may susunod. Balik ka na. Hintay ka na.
Hindi, marami kami.
Lahat tayo.
Hindi na ako.
Sino? Oo. Pa-accept ko nga yung aking ano. Pass yung aking yung aking Facebook. Ano naman ang anak? Pero nung kamera, kaninong kamera? Kaninong kamera? Tagilid tayo. Magtagilid tayo. Nasa pwede tayo. Hoy! Saan ba yun? Saan na yun? Nandito na. Okay na kami? Ay, kaya ba? Thank you. Maganda rin ang dito. Ay, mas maganda. Ka muna.
Ha?
Ay, hindi pa ba? Hindi pa. Ay, mas maputi. Kasi. Kaninong telepono? Ha?
So, let's go. Tapos na tayo. Apa niyo kayo napaya?
Permis boss.
Ba?